Hello, everybody. Welcome to another video of Ed with Arat. Today, we are going to start another concept of learning, which is coding. Now, coding has become a very important part, crucial part of our lives. Coding is important because, as you could see in the pandemic, we have struggled a lot. We could meet each other, classes, work, everybody, everything was happening online, and everything was happening from different apps like Google Meet, Zoom, etc. etc. And now these apps, all these WhatsApp and Messenger and all these have one thing in common, only one thing, that they all have come to be this app what they are by coding. Now, what is coding? Coding is how we use code, which is instruction. Now, code is an instruction that we give to the computer. During coding, we give instructions to the computer that when this button is clicked, this will happen. Like this. Now, for coding, today is the first lesson of it, and we'll learn text to speech. For more videos, come on the playlist of coding. Now, we'll be using the platform THUNKABLE, and I'll be signing in with my Google. And now I'll create a new app named Text to Speech, and I'll create it. And I don't want to use the drag and drop builder. Okay, I'll, this is about education, and yeah, this is about education. Learning is education, and learning is from everywhere. Coding is a concept of learning too, and it's crucial in the age we've gotten to. Now, here are my Inthunkable workshop, my own. And now, in screen 1, I'll name screen 1, rename it as text to speech. Now, I cannot just add every component right here. I will search for a column. And in the layout column, we'll have a column. And I have a column 1, I will have a column 2, and I need to make sure these are not inside one another. And, you know, above or below. And I am going to add a total of 3 columns. Yeah. And in the first column, I'll do pit contents. And then I'll add text or label. It should not be actually text, it should be label. I'll add label in column 1. Inside it, remember, or you can do it from here. It is the settings. Okay, the app settings. Label 1, you drag it and you drag it inside column 1. And in this label, we'll write text to speech. Now, remember one thing of coding, that it's very important that we do the design properly. The design is very important because design is actually the how people see it, the way people need to see it. Now I have the color, and then if I scroll down, I'll get a border option. And now width, I'll get 5, radius 5. I'll just remove width from 5 to 2. Yeah, it's better. And color, I'll do this must be good. Yeah. And the style will dotted, dash, or solid. I like solid. Now in column 2, we'll add two things, two components. Our first component will be text input. Now, text input is what the user is, you know, what the user writes to the computer. And we'll add image here. And remember, the text input should be above the image, not below it. Now they are too sticky, kind of, you know. Now I go to column 2, and here column 2, I go down, where I find the horizontal alignment. No, not the horizontal alignment. Yeah, the vertical alignment. Now there's space between where both will touch the borders, and there's space around where some space will be left. And I think space around is the best of them all for this, actually, for this project. And now I will need a button. I will add a button to column 3, and column 3 is looking very big, so I'll height will be absolute size 150. No, that's still too big. What about 80? Yeah, 80 is fine. And in the button, I'll write play given text. And here I'll add a new tab, and here I want some image of a microphone or a speaker. So this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to copy image address by right clicking on the image, and then when I go to Thunkable, I'll do type in URL, I'll delete, and then I will paste. And now I want the height to be bigger, and of course the width to be bigger as well. And here I have. Now I'll go to the blocks part, as I've done my design part. Now when I go to the blocks part, I will find many blocks, but right now I will do button 1, because that's the button we're going to click. When button 1 click, what do? Then the text in, and we'll have, okay, so we're missing one thing. I just forgot about it. Now there are invisible components we need. Now we'll scroll down or search text to speech. We'll add it in the invisible components. Now we have a invisible component. In the blocks, we'll have text to speech 1, and we'll call text to speeches speak. Now we do not need our text to speak hello. We need it to speak text input 1's text, or text from text input 1. Here we have. And now it's ready. Only this block we need to add. Now in the design we go, live test we can do, it's better. It connects the mobile from the computer to show the application you have built in the mobile. And right now we are going to do here preview. I'll type here subscribe to my, let's just write subscribe and play given text.
Subscribe.
As you can hear, the computer is saying subscribe. Now you need to listen to the computer. And it's the end of the video. Subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share them to grow the chart of knowledge, to it's what a good person does. he or she shares what he or she has, and you are going to have knowledge from me, and then you can share my videos to for the others to gain knowledge, and comment for any other opinions. Now